A block of mass 5 kg is kept on a horizontal floor having coefficient of friction 0.09. Two mutually perpendicular horizontal forces of 3 Newton and 4 Newton act on this block. The acceleration of the block is, according to the problem, a block of mass 5 kg is kept on a horizontal floor. So let us suppose that this has horizontal floor. It is said that this surface is rough. Its coefficient of friction is 0.09. Let us fix a coordinate system to this problem. X-axis along one edge of this table and y-axis along the edge which is perpendicular to the previous edge, and z-axis perpendicular to the plane of this table. Now, according to the problem, it is said two mutually perpendicular horizontal forces of magnitude 3 Newton and 4 Newton are acting on this block. So, the net force acting on the block which is kept on this surface is equal to 3I cap plus 4J cap. The magnitude of this net force is 5 newtons, and because of this net force the block will start to move in such a direction that it subtends an angle of 53 degrees with x-axis. So because of that relative motion, there comes a frictional force which acts on the block in opposite direction to F net. Therefore, from this FBD we can write MA equal to as F net minus frictional force. Since there is relative motion between the block and the horizontal floor, this friction is kinetic friction. So, and if we draw free body diagram along z axis vertically downwards, there acts weight of this object, and the normal force given by the floor will act vertically upwards. As the block is in vertical equilibrium, normal force is equal to mg, which is equal to 50 newtons. So substituting this in this equation, MA equals to F net is 5 minus Fk is mu k times the normal reaction force. So this implies 5A is equal to 5 minus 0.09 times of 50. So this implies 5A is equal to 0.5, which implies A equals to as 0.1 meter per second square. Therefore, the correct option is 2.